So, hi, I am Shivani. So, as per the assignment which was given, so I have worked upon the two improvements given in the given in the PDF, which was like first and third step, in which I am actually stopping the point that we have reached the destination. Second, already given the index priority queue is only a binary heap. So I have made it as a multi heap so that it can improve my performance. So I can show the changes I have done. So first in this, I have taken one in the main code, what was existing. I have make a set which is for the visitor. As this has been maintained, if once we have already find the shortest path between some source to per nth node, we need to go again and again and traverse the same. Plus, I have added the check if the visited node or the pole node which we have checked is same as destination, we can break the loop so that it does not need to evaluate the distance from source to each and every node and then returning the destination node part only. As it will increase the performance. And suppose if I have to find a path from A to B, and there are like thousands of hundreds of nodes, so there is no need that if I am able to get my path from in basically a shortest path in 2 or 3 traversals, we need not to find path for source to every distance, every node. So the change I have done is I have added a set, plus I have added a check. If I reach the destination, I can break the loop. And once break the loop, I will able to reach the destination. And once this function will end, it will automatically give me 1 second. It will yeah, it will automatically give me the shortest path, because what we are returning from here is suppose we are calling from the shortest path, show path. So what we are getting the predecessor of D, which is basically the node which we are actually evaluating the path for the same. After this, I have made the changes in the way that existing class the registrar was using the index priority queue. This is a binary heap. So I have made a new class for the index multivim in priority queue. I have added all the prerequisite and all the comments so that it can be readable. Plus, I have taken a final parameter D. The way what I am doing, if it is already initialized from the constructor path, then it can get I have made it a two-way constructor. One is using the default binary, default n array heap. I have taken the size 3. Another is n array heap, in which whenever it is used, we can assign uh, the child which we want for the particular binary for a particular heap. In this way, we can improve our performance. So I can now go through each and every class, since it was a prerequisite that our main class distances Euclidean graph, shortest path, and the other one is distances, and all the class should run. So I can start from the shortest path. This class is basically finding the shortest path between the source and destination. I have taken the argument as the usa.txt file. So if I run this, so this is the overall graph for the usa.txt. And if I suppose finding the path from 9, so it will give me the shortest path from 11 to 89. So now this one will end, and so this was the one of the class which we want. Another was shortest evo distances. This is basically taking the input from the user to find the path between distance for the source and destination. Suppose if I run this class, I have taken the configuration for the usa.txt. Now it will run. If I use 9, it will give me, it will till the time we are providing the input, it will run. So in the similar way, this class will run. Now the other class was the path. this class is basically to find the shortest, it will print the path for the, it will print the actual path from the source to destination. Since the last class which we are printing the distances only. So suppose if I do the 12 for 156, it will give the hierarchy, like it will give the what are the edges need to be traversed for the same. And in this also I have given the argument as a USA.txt. So suppose I've taken 12 and 156. 156. It will provided me the edges for the same. If I use, it will give me all the edges which we will be using to traverse for the source and destination. And this will also be a continuous while loop. So till the time we are providing the input, the process will run continuously. Now, if I use Euclidean graph, this is for this also I have used this file as USA.txt. Since this will able to find because this what this class is doing, this is creating an actual graph for the same. So this will print, because I have not made any changes for the graph. This was the second point, but I have choose first and third point to improve my performance. So the main changes I have done in register class for taking the priority queue as a my own priority queue, which I have made for the index multi-way priority queue in my register algorithm. And second was the stopping the point at which we are reaching the destination, so that we do not need to calculate the non-required edges once we have reached the destination. So that's all from my side. I'll submit all the necessary files for the same.